finally got one. So I have finally decided to buy a camcorder. Is it a good one? I don't know. I just looked at a few on Amazon and chose this one. Hopefully it's good. Link in the description if you want to buy it. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to get one because I've been seeing a lot of videos on my YouTube page where people have been recording their lives or their summer on a camcorder, and it just gave it that nice nostalgic feel, you know, like those nice childhood videos kind of vibes. And I just wanted to be able to get this, to be able to capture moments and to be able to capture memories to look back on later down in life. Hopefully this will be cool. Well, there's actually vibes, I can't lie. But I will be using this for my New Year's party today to just capture moments and memories. Anyways, time to say goodbye to this camera because I'll be using this today. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Wait, that is so crazy. I feel like I'm like 2006 right now. What the heck? Obviously, I'm still using this mic right now, but throughout the day I probably won't be, so the sound's probably not gonna sound good, but it's for the vibes. Just enjoy the ride. Boop. You're literally ready right now. Let's go. Hi, Sky. That's sick. Whoa.
What year is that, bro?
That's so sick. Yeah.
I want to buy.
Wait,
it's like really like retro. It's not retro.
Yo, that's hard. Is this vintage or no?
No, it's like
How do you zoom?
Can you do good luck charge?
Yeah, that. Good luck charge. Other way maybe.
Need a wire.
Yo, crossover service. Thoughts moving into the new year?
Big year next year. Yeah.
We're ready to move into 2008.
Yeah. Wait, what? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
Wow, beautiful.
Maybe more beautifuler. Hello. New Year.
Hi.
Oh.
I'm not letting this guy.
Just kidding. One more time.
Hey.
Put it against mine.
Yo, look at these 6 smiles.
Oh, look at
6 smiles. Wow, 6 smiles. That's embarrassing.
You
ruined it.
Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
New Year.
I think the dog's a little scared of that.
What a cool guy. Quote of the day, quote of the day.
So basically,
Quote of the day. Quote, Aaron, what's the quote of the day?
if you really think about it,
Quote of the day.
Pardon?
Quote of the day.
Yo, he's lying. I didn't say it fully.
Make it your year.
Oh.